Behind me is the largest and most expensive koi pond in the United States. No joke, the fish in this pond are so large and valuable that the owner has 2 employees to keep an eye on his favorite fish. I traveled to Nashville, where after a year of construction, I can finally share the end result with you. We feed the koi and you get a full tour of the largest private koi facility in the US.
Hi, my name's Herbert Fritch. I'm the owner of this property, kind of designer.
Herbert is a great animal lover with a passion for Japanese koi, especially big koi. Some of you will recognize Herbert. He is the owner of the world famous Nashville Predators, and today we get a private tour.
I made up my mind to have a state-of-the-art koi system and filtration, given how expensive the fish are, especially the jumbo ones that I really like. So we contacted Hunter and he contracted and designed all this and had it built. We added these blue cylinders, or the gas exchange system that GIS produces that hyperoxygenates the water and reduces the nitrogen. Hopefully makes fish grow faster, we'll see.
During the design phase, the customer wishes were taken into account. In addition to the large pond, Herbert also wanted 2 quarantine ponds where he can collect and treat new and possibly sick fish.
Yes, the way it's designed is there's one main pond. It's about, I believe, 32,000 gallons. And there's 2 quarantine ponds that are 10 to 12-ish. So we've got that quarantine capability, which is good. Or what we found is it's hard enough to catch the fish in the big one that we're treating something, we catch it and move it to one of the quarantine ponds just for ease of capture, nothing else. And then I decided that since this building was pretty much a greenhouse and I like to play with plants, that we'd do some tropical plants that you couldn't really do otherwise up here. And most of them are thriving, they're doing well. They've only been in the ground a couple of months, but they're doing well. Now the problem is I've got to figure out what to do in the winter to try and heat the building. And right now I'm exploring putting the whole farm on solar and have my own solar power plant. So as I keep adding stuff, it doesn't add to the bill, I hope. But this is the main pond, and my thought originally was to basically have every koi in here be at least 30 inches. And I think there are some that have hit 40, and there's probably more that are closer to 40 than 30 in here, but I really enjoy the collection. It's all different kinds, but just magnificent fish.
Anyone can keep koi as pets, as long as you provide a good biological and mechanical filter, a UV lamp and weekly water changes. More about this in a moment. The best thing about having koi is that they are fairly tame and you can let them eat out of your hand. This way you will quickly find out which fish is your favorite.
You know, that's hard to say, but I do like, it's a big white one that I'm pretty certain is 40 inches. Actually, that's not her. I think she's down here. She's down a little low. And I like this guy too. Hunter found that one and it was supposedly 40 inches when I got it, so he eats with gusto. Those are the scrolls that a dealer actually gave me. Those you can tell you're buying too many fish when you get gifts. I really like them. He got them from a customer, got them over in Japan, I believe. So I'd love to look into getting more of those. I mean, I can happy to do that. I've fed them a couple times, but I think they'd eat again. They're gluttonous. Oh, it's just a plastic bin. It's nothing. It really doesn't do much other than you can get it out of the bottom. That's handy. You know, nothing major. I've got to figure out the heat for the winter so I don't lose the plants. Focus right now is how do I do that, along with, I think the solution for the whole farm and my other farm is to do a solar plant on the energy piece.
Hunter and Herbert have built a special bond. Hunter knows exactly which koi varieties are popular with Herbert and therefore buys them in Japan. Koi are pets and Herb also has his favorite fish.
You know, it's always amazing to me the dealers come up with. You know, it's sort of I had 18 of them delivered earlier today, and it was kind of like Christmas. So there's the big guy. See, the tail is a little broken on top. But I love that scale pattern. It's like they were etched with a chisel. And the size is so amazing. I kind of named her Moby as the great white whale, but
What is extremely important for the health of the koi is a good filter system for your pond. Herbert has opted for the Oase mechanical filter, the ProfiClear L. Hunter and Jeff from Atlantic Oase explain exactly how this filter system works.
Hi, this is Hunter from Select Koi and Select Ponds, and today I'm here at this project here in Nashville, Tennessee. You may remember it from last year, and also I'm with Jeff here from Oase, and he helped me to finish this project. So we're going to take you around and show you the updates. Last time that you guys saw, probably, we didn't have this whole place complete. We were working really diligently to get it done. But now it's finished, and you know, a lot of tinkering goes on. So we can walk you through and show you those kind of changes that we made over the last year. So as you can see, now there's a full crystal building around you. It's all windows, a few panels to give it some shade. It gets really hot in here, but the water stays at about 70 degrees, just about there. I seen it like 73, maybe 68, but what we're really happy about is to show you guys what kind of koi that we brought in. You may have seen some reels on Instagram or maybe on YouTube about some of these koi, but today we're gonna go take a look at some of them.
Yeah, we're also really excited that we added the Oase filters, the ProfiClears, and the Atlantic Oase. This is becoming really an exploding product for us because it does such a great job with high-end koi ponds, well, any koi pond, and then now natural swim ponds or swim ponds. So it does a beautiful job of filtering the water, cleaning it, maintenance easy, service real easy. So Hunter can talk a little bit more about the addition of these products.
Yeah, so the thing was we had the sieve on these, and it was doing its job, but it had a tendency to have some things go wrong, and that can be catastrophic in koi keeping, especially when you're keeping, you know, this caliber of koi. So we wanted everything hard plumbed, so we have that done here. But this system, it's just an amazing system. It does pretty much everything that you would be doing laboriously when you're trying to enjoy your koi. So if you want to open it up, we can open it up and show it to you.
Can go this way.
So of course you can see that we've got our moving media bed here with lots and lots of filters. This is the Helix filtration. And then we have our drum filter. And of course, you know, the coolest thing about this is that it has replaceable screens and that you have a computer that can control literally what you need to do for all of your changes when you're not even thinking about it. So that's a very cool unit right here. And it'll tell you your temperature and everything as well. And you can hook it up to your cloud on your phone and run it. So it's really nice for the owner to be able to have that. So we also put the medium size on these 8,000 gallons because we already have other filtration, but we felt like this was a great way to take out the risk and then put in something that even improved the quality. And you can tell that it really improves the quality.
Well, one nice thing too about the Oase product is when you do take the lid off, it does stop working. So the wheel stops, the rolling will stop occasionally. So, and then you just put it back on and start it again. So it's a nice feature.
So we're gonna go check out the big pond. This is 32,000 gallons. You might remember that from last year. But now he's added the glass around the outside. I think he did that just to protect himself in case a koi wanted to jump, you know, across or whatnot, but I don't think he's had anything happen. So I've got a few koi that we put in here not too long ago. I got some silver foxes at just about 1 meter and some Gosanke, you know, 90 centimeter size range. And then of course Matsubas, I've got those in here too. But you can see this silver fox in here is like as big as a 5-year-old child. It's just, it's enormous. The head shape and everything is really big, and then it got really long, so the body just came with it. You can take a look right over here. Hey guys, this is the end of the tour here. I'm glad that you joined us and watched our videos. Please like and subscribe. We're always wanting to support the hobby, and we love supporting Evo. So yeah, go get it.